You have the degree, yet almost every application lists a 3-year experience requirement. Schools want teachers who already know how to manage a classroom, but you cannot gain that knowledge until someone gives you a chance to start. School hiring priorities are shifting to solve this. Administrators are moving away from evaluating pure academic credentials. Today, they prioritize practical, demonstratable skills, like the ability to handle a disruptive student or the technical knowledge to design a structured lesson. Specialized online teacher training provides these specific skills. It allows a graduate to meet hiring requirements by mastering the methodologies, like phonics or Montessori, that schools currently prioritize in their search for new staff. To navigate this transition, we will walk through a 5-step roadmap. We will cover how to select a niche, master the mechanics of teaching, engage with expert evaluation, build a portfolio, and finally enter the job market with institutional backing. In modern educational hiring, a verified skill certification serves as a primary credential for entry-level roles, often carrying as much weight as time spent in a traditional classroom. Step 1 is selecting your path. General teaching courses often provide a broad overview that lacks the specificity schools look for when hiring for specialized roles. This matrix identifies how to map your personal traits to specialized certifications. The central candidate node branches into 3 distinct pathways based on your specific professional interests. The first pathway maps an interest in young children to Montessori or early childhood care and education certifications. ECCE is a specialization focused on guiding the cognitive and emotional development of children between birth and 8 years old. The second pathway focuses on global opportunities. If you intend to travel internationally or work remotely, you follow this line to the TEFL or TESOL certification. TEFL stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language, which prepares you to instruct non-native speakers. The final path focuses on inclusivity. If you are drawn to aiding students with diverse learning needs, this line connects you to a special education certification, which covers strategies for teaching students with learning disabilities. By specializing early, you align your profile with the specific vacancy a school is trying to fill. You become a targeted solution for a specific department. Once you have chosen a niche, step 2 is to begin the self-paced learning modules. As you study, focus on how each concept applies to an actual classroom interaction, rather than just memorizing definitions. This infographic highlights the 2 most critical skills you will extract from these modules: lesson planning and classroom management. These are the technical foundations of a functional learning environment. Skimming these materials can lead to difficulties during the practical phase. You must internalize these methodologies so you can use them as tools when you are eventually in front of a group of students. Step 3 involves executing the mandatory practice teaching tasks and case studies provided by the course. This is where you apply the theory to simulated classroom scenarios. This flowchart illustrates the evaluation feedback loop. When you submit an assignment, it is reviewed by expert trainers who return specific critiques on your methodology and delivery. You then apply this feedback to refine your approach, repeating the cycle until your technique meets professional standards. This condensed cycle of practice and critique allows you to address common mistakes in a controlled environment. By the time you enter a live classroom, you have already adjusted your methods based on professional evaluation. Step 4 is the creation of your teaching portfolio. A text-based resume lists your history, but it cannot show how you actually interact with students or structure a 40-minute period. A teaching portfolio provides the missing evidence. It demonstrates your ability to plan, execute, and adapt through physical documentation of your work. As shown in this digital portfolio setup, the first essential component is a sample lesson plan. This shows a hiring manager exactly how you organize your curriculum and engage a class. The second component is a video file of your teaching simulation, which demonstrates your pacing and classroom presence. The final piece is your globally accepted digital certification, which verifies your training. You will package the lesson plan, the simulation video, and the certification into a single presentation for prospective employers. Presenting this portfolio to a hiring principal reduces the risk of hiring a new graduate. It allows them to see your actual competence before you ever step into their building. With your portfolio ready, step 5 is the job hunt. You can now target positions that specifically require the certification you earned in step 1. This funnel shows the most viable entry points for new educators. Preschools, online tutoring platforms, and private coaching centers are high-probability targets for those with specialized training. Because certifications like TEFL are recognized worldwide, international schools also become accessible targets for your applications. During your search, utilize the placement assistance and career counseling offered by your training institute. For example, the Aspiring Professional Teacher Training Institute, or APTTI, provides job guidance specifically for their certified graduates. Entering the job market with institutional backing and a portfolio changes the interview dynamic. You are showing a principal exactly what you will do on day one, which provides them with the confidence to hire you. You began as a graduate facing a closed door. Through training, you have developed practical skills and built a portfolio to prove your readiness to teach. This career transformation begins with the decision to choose a specialized teaching niche. Your next step is to find an accredited, globally recognized program aligning with your professional goals. Check the links below, explore